What is my response to the modernization of the holy city of Mecca? That now in Mecca you have Starbucks, you have McDonald's, you have Kentucky Fried, you have very expensive hotels, you have Jewish Tinked, what is that? I don't know. This is the presence of Dajjal in Mecca. But the Prophet said, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, that neither Dajjal nor plague meaning epidemics, can ever enter Mecca or Medina. This booklet has that in it. It is when Dajjal appears, the khuruj of Dajjal takes place. The khuruj of Dajjal is different from the release of Dajjal. Dajjal was released in the lifetime of the Prophet ﷺ. But the khuruj of Dajjal takes place after the Malhama, or the big war, which will make the First World War and the Second World War look like peanuts. Malhama. After the Malhama, then you have the khuruj of Dajjal. He will appear in human form. He'll be a young man, powerfully built, curly hair, mean curls at the side and so on, ruling the world from Jerusalem. But prior to the khuruj of Dajjal, Dajjal is released. And he is in Mecca, he is in Medina, he is in every city, everywhere. And there is a hadith which anticipates this. Dajjal is in Mecca. Dajjal is responsible for all this corruption of Mecca. What is the hadith? The Prophet ﷺ was asleep, and in his sleep he had a vision. And in his vision he saw people going around the Kaaba making tawaf. And he saw a man with men on both sides supporting him, and with his hair as though water was dripping from it. And he asked, who is that? And in the vision he was told, this is Nabi Isa alayhi salam. And then he saw another man making tawaf, and he also had people with him. And he asked, who is that making tawaf around the Kaaba? And he was told, that is Al-Masih al-Dajjal. I believe that is the fulfillment of the vision of the Prophet ﷺ, that we today see Mecca with all the signs of Dajjal all over it.